Today we are having our annual MRE challenge, and we have the pleasure to having this challenge with Dr. McDade. And we usually have it around Veterans Day, so to honor all our veterans that's coming around, and we bring in veterans that can come in and judge. You're on a mission assignment. We got 30 minutes before the troops come through. They're miserable. They haven't had a hot meal in days. It's your opportunity to produce a meal for them. So the students have to take MRE, meals ready to eat, and they have to combine them and make some type of dish.
Right now we're going for a Hispanic theme, a Mexican theme. Right now we're looking at a taco bowl for our either appetizer or entree. I'm thinking possibly tacos because we do have tortillas and we have a beef taco filling.
Basically today we're making kind of like an Italian dish because we had like tomato sauce and noodles. We're doing like a spaghetti type of dish.
We got some sweet peppers in here, we got onion in here, we got fresh Italian parsley in here, and we've got meatballs. We're struggling because we're running out of time.
10 minutes! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up.
Great job to both teams. But I do have to name a winner. The winner at 233 points is